In today's video, I'm going to show you how to test your Shopify checkout without using real money by using the Shopify Bogus Gateway. Whether you're setting up a brand new store, making changes to your checkout flow, or you simply want to be 100% sure everything works before going live, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Testing properly can save you from costly mistakes later, right? First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and head straight to the Settings option in the bottom left corner. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Payments and click on it. This is where all your payment methods are managed, so make sure you follow along carefully and don't skip anything important. Next, click on the option that says Choose a Provider. You'll see several payment gateways listed here, but for testing purposes, select the Bogus Gateway. This special Shopify feature is designed specifically to help you simulate transactions without charging real cards or using actual money, which makes it perfect for safe testing. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your store password is disabled or you're logged in as an admin, ensure at least one product is available for purchase, and confirm the Bogus Gateway is activated before testing. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary confusion during checkout. Once you've completed these steps, head over to your storefront and add any product to the cart. Proceed to checkout just like a real customer would. When you reach the payment screen, enter the number 1 as the credit card number to simulate a successful payment. Want to test other scenarios? Try entering 2 to simulate a declined payment or 3 to test a gateway failure. After that, you should be able to see exactly how your store responds to each situation without any real transactions happening. It's also a good idea to check your order notifications and admin orders list to confirm everything is recorded correctly. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your checkout experience polished. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to test your Shopify checkout safely, confidently, and efficiently using the Bogus Gateway. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be setting up their store too. Why not make someone's day easier?